This is Eileen Judd, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm here to show you how to craft in real life, and this is a Valentine's Day card for my daughter's teacher. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit thumbs up if you like more videos like this, so I know. And let's get started. So I'm going to be making a doggy card, and you'll be crafting with me. I've got it designed in my head, but I don't have it on paper, so hopefully it turns out. I'm going to be using Bella and Friends stamp set, and it's from the annual catalog of Stampin' Up! 2017 and 2018. And I'm here to show you that it's important to craft with purpose, and you can make any card using any stamp set for what you want to do. And my daughter's teacher loves dogs, so that's why I decided to use Bella and Friends for this Valentine's Day card for her teacher. Now, if you see here, I already colored in advance a puppy, and I fussy cutted him out. And my daughter's teacher's favorite color is blue, so I made sure to add in a blue collar just to hint it up. And then I'm just going to stamp a background for this and find some foam adhesives to apply this, so hopefully this works out. I have my sidekick here sitting next to me on the couch, my little baby boy, while I'm sitting here crafting at the craft table. Proof that you can craft anywhere. And I'm just going to head and stamp this sentiment in the center, hopefully turn out right. And then I can see if I can keep this little guy there. An idea of space I want to keep him at, because I have this idea of doing a collage of a dog and a bird in the background. Hopefully I get this right. Let's see. Not my best inking, but let's see if it's enough, if I want to add more. I'm still debating whether I want to color any of this. I can probably do more doggies. Yeah, more doggies. Really? Oh. Get more of that bird. Oh, whatever. To mix mash, maybe I can get the birds. The camera is in my way, so I can't really see what I'm doing. Doorbell's back from answering the doorbell. And I'm just adding color to all the hearts. You might hear a loud noise. My husband's bored of me, people. Love you too, bye. My little guy's off in his activity center now. Sorry, Mr. Parrot, I overlapped you. It was an accident. Drawing emphasis to the heart for Valentine's Day. I'm repeating myself. It's all good in the neighborhood. Can't forget this bird. Bless you, Sneezy. If you guys know me, I've moved and I haven't exactly unpacked my crafting room, so I haven't been able to find things. So I found this foam mounting tape at the Dollar Tree, and hopefully this works in place of my Stampin' Dimensionals. I think I only need one because these are so huge. Let's see. Might work. Okay. I think that's cute. It's simple. It's pretty chic Valentine's Day card. And I think I'm gonna grab. Oh, I don't have my black marker. Dark blue with a tie-in. This is my daughter's teacher loves blue. I think I'm gonna hopefully get this right in cursive for. I don't have a Valentine's Day sentiment near me. I don't feel like digging for one, so use what you got. Stamp It Up writer markers are just as good. And then I'll have my daughter fill in the rest. But isn't this cute? Now remember, for my details on my cards and products that I use, please head over to my website, stampingmama.com. To buy these products, you can head over to my store with the link down below, or just go to the link that you'll see on the screen. Remember to like this video and don't forget to share. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye!